This video will show you how to make inflated texts in Blender. Please watch up to the very end. When you open Blender, first delete the default cube. Press Shift to add a text. Press or then X then 90 to rotate it along the X by 90 degrees. Then press or then Z then 90 to rotate it along the Z by 90 degrees. Press Tab to go to the edit mode, then edit text to you desirable text. I'll use inflated text as my text for this tutorial. Press Tab to go back to the object mode. In the text properties, you can go to alignment and make it centered. Go to geometry and increase the extrude value until it looks fine to you. You can give it some bevel depth if you wish. Right-click and convert it to a mesh. Go to Modifier Properties and add a remesh modifier. Set it to sharp and increase the octave depth to a higher value until you can clearly see all your letters. Please note that if you use very high values, your computer might crush. The rest can remain the same. If I got to the wireframe mode, you can see that my geometry is already there. Now it's time to apply the remesh modifier. Now go to the physics properties and add a cloth physics. Scroll down and activate pressure. Increase it to about 10. You can go to collision and activate self-collision. You can reduce the simulation frame range to stop at around 50 frames in order to reduce the baking time. Now bake the simulation. After the bake is done, play the simulation to see the results. You can see that the text becomes inflated. Shaded Auto Smooth. Like the video if you love what I've give you so far. Go to the modifier properties and apply the modifier. You can still add a subdivision modifier for smoother results. Grab the text along the Z to recenter it. Go to Options and activate Origins. Then press Shift-S to snap the selection to cursor. Now go back to Options and deactivate Origins. And you're now done, ready to assign materials to it. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss out on our latest content. Also, let us know what you want us to teach you about Blender in the comments. I promise we'll make a video. Have fun animating. I sign out.